This is the Merrill Y-40 valve body. Now it is a full metal valve body with a brass insert. Now this is the valve body for the Y1 and Y2 series hydrants. So we can go ahead and get a couple measurements of it, starting with a total length, which will measure right at about 3 3/4 inches. And then coming down to this wider end here, get an outer diameter. That's right about 2 inches. And an inner diameter in there on those female threads, measuring right at about 1.25 inches. Then we'll come down to the skinnier side and do the same thing, so outer and inner diameter. The outer diameter is going to measure right at about 1.75 inches, with an inner diameter measuring right at 1 inch. Then we'll also get a total width. It's measuring right at about 2 3/4. Yes, so once again, this is the Merrill Y-40 full metal brass valve body.